Hello, Nadine here, and today I'm just going to show you a quick technique of how to use some Creative Embellishments chipboard pieces. These are gears that I'm going to be using, and then I'm also going to use my Xyron Creative Station Light and Cosmic Shimmer. They're Gilding Flakes. I think there's different colors. This one is Egyptian Gold. There's Copper Kettle, Muted Wine, Silver Dream. So those are some different ones that I will be using. At the start, I'm going to take some of these gears. There's a few different ones, different sized ones. Okay, so I'm just going to start with these ones, and then using my Creative Station Light. I have, I don't know, you can see it says permanent adhesive in there, and this is the 5-inch adhesive refill that's in there. See that in there? There we go. And then I'm just going to place these right inside of the machine, like so, and then just crank the arm so they go on through. Take the last ones. I'm going to do the same thing. And then on this side of the Creative Station, there is a little, this is the cutter. You just press it down and slide it right on across, and it cuts right off. Pushing each one of these down really well to make sure the adhesive is on each one. Peel the backing off. I do have a little bit of adhesive in some of those little holes, so I'm just taking a skewer, just touching it and pulling the webbing out of there. Okay. So I put a piece of paper down behind this because using the Gilding Flakes can get kind of messy. Just going to take, first get the sticky off my fingers. I'm just taking some of this and putting it on them. Put the lid back on, and then I'm just using this little sponge brush. Just going to start rubbing it right over the top of the chipboard piece. If you have to pick up more, go right ahead. Okay, so there you go. It gives it kind of a grungy metallic look. Those are the copper ones. I'm going to do it again with a different color this time. This one I'm going to use is the Mulled wine. Okay, gonna run the sponge over the top of it again. Those ones came out really cool. I love all the different colors of those. So there is an example of just two colors, the copper and the mulled wine, on chipboard. I am going to make some masculine type cards, and I will show you the finishing of how I'm going to use in just a minute. Okay, I thought I was going to make two cards, but I ended up using them all on one card. I like how it turned out. It's a cool masculine card. This one I made for Father's Day, but it could easily be for a birthday as well. So there we go. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and give me a thumbs up if you like my video. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.